German class. In today's class we learn this text, we read the text actually and find out the difficult words, and we'll see the sentence formation. This is of B2 level, the text is of B2 level, and it is very important for all the learners, for all of you. So let's begin with the text. As you can see here, I have written 6-7 sentences and we'll explain this with the meaning, and you will get the entire meaning of this text. So what the text says: Ich bin Hausmeisterin und habe deshalb immer was zu tun. Here was means actually it is et was, but we write was. So Ich bin Hausmeisterin, I am Hausmeister, it's a female. I am Hausmaster means who looks after the house. Ich bin Hausmeister und habe, and I have deshalb. Look at the position of deshalb. You can write between. Deshalb you can write in between the sentences. Normally we use it as a connector, but here this is also correct. I am Hausmeister and I have that's why. I have that's why. Deshalb immer viel zu tun, or you can say was zu tun, viel. And that's why I have always lot of work to do or something to do. Was means it was, something to do, or viel zu tun, a lot to do. Tun means to do, machen. Okay, so here deshalb and tun means machen, to do. Ich muss aber nicht alles selbst machen, but I don't have to do all self. Selbst means self. I don't have to do all self. Muss, modal verb, and this is infinitive. You know the rule. This is basic. I have been teaching you for so long. So muss, modal verb, and machen. I have to do. Okay. But. So how do we translate? But I don't have to do all self. Alles. All. Okay. Means I am a Hausmeister and I have this. That's why lot of work to do. But I don't do all myself. I don't do alone. Let's see what happens. Büsche und Bäume. Büsche und Bäume lasse ich zum Beispiel vom Gärtner schneiden. Gärtner is gardener who works in the garden. Gärtner. Schneiden means to cut. So to cut the trees and bushes. Bushes, sometimes there are bushes in the garden and trees. So you know, plural, Baum, Bäume, Büsche, bushes. In the garden there are so many bushes, trees, okay, that need to be cut, okay, in order to give a shape, proper shape. You have